raise the car, pull the drain bolt for the oil, drain all the oil, change the crush washer, add the oil, see if it leaks. Needs to be changed. Oh yeah, it's crushed. It's supposed to be crushed, but it's distorted. You can see it's not round. Anyway, it's being replaced. And in case you didn't or weren't able to see, you can see there's no dripping from further up the oil pan gasket. So we will just replace, well, we'll do an oil change and we will replace the crush washer and move on. So that job is done. It's nice and clean. This oil is dark. No shimmery stuff, so that's good. But it is dark. It definitely needed to be changed. Okay, let's get some good in her now. Good old castor oil. So while that's draining, I'm going to try my hand at disassembling the doors. I've got to change the door lock cylinder. I know how to take apart the interior of the door, but the outer I've never done. So let's try together. For those of you that don't know, the Fiero plastic composite. So the skin can actually come off of the skeleton. So I'm going to be removing this piece, but first I'm going to show you how to remove the inner door skin, the interior of the door. Then we'll move on to the exterior of the door. So to get started, you're going to be pulling this off, There's a little piece in here that's got to come off. That has got to come off. And then you start pulling the screws that are hidden behind there. So start with this. This is supposed to have a clip that slips through here that holds onto here, but this one is missing. Let's try a pick. There we go. Comes out. And then all of the screws are revealed underneath. Now let's see if I can get you in here. That's right there. If I can get my hand in here. This right here is this right here latches into the lock mechanism. I'll show you in a second. I've pulled the nuts that hold on the outer skin on the outside. I've also pulled off the railing that sits up here with the moisture wick piece. I removed the adjuster, the mirror adjuster. So now I can get to these bolts that hold on the mirror so I can take off the outer skin. Alright, the door is giving me a hard time, so that is finished draining. Let's get the oil, fresh oil in it. I believe it's 4.3 liters. So yes, 4.3 liters. For us Canadian folk, I'm going to lower the car, then check the level, and then add as necessary. Shouldn't need that, but you know, added security. My driveway's bad enough as is. Just slightly under the full line. So I've discovered you can, yeah, that's the lock cylinder there. That there, it's all connected up. It feels kind of flimsy to me, but it does work. Locks, unlocks. You don't need to pull the skin off. And no, I have not completely figured out how to do it. A lot of trial and error, but yeah, it can be done from the inside. Alright, I'm going to put this door back together and then contemplate doing the next side, seeing that I think I can do it faster now. And just like that, the door is together and the cylinder works, the lock works. So what do you do when you're finished one side? You've got another to do. Oh, let's hope that I can do it much faster this time around. So I basically had to do the same thing, pull the door. The difference is on this passenger side, I was able to get the outer skin further away from the frame of the door, and that helped out a lot. I was able to get my hands in there. Let me just show you. I know this can't be a tutorial because there's no way I could show this unless I was able to get the outer door skin off, and I was not successful. But that's not going to stop me. If you know how to, could you down below let us know, even if it's a link to another video, just to help get the information out there so we can all benefit. Anyhow, this is what it looks like. There's the door lock, the cylinder. It's hard to see, but the copper piece back here, that's what we're talking about. I wish I could get you a better look so you could see that little black clip that goes around that arm there. Yep, that one. That is a pain in the butt. I have that on backwards, but it is holding strong. So, I won't sweat about it. Alright, let's try to get this side view mirror back on and button this thing up. Well, I do know that I did something not the same. I figured something out on this side that I will go and fix the driver's door with tomorrow. Sun is almost gone. I am tired and hungry. This was me doing the door cylinders on an 87 Pontiac Fiero, 1987 Pontiac Fiero, as well as the gasket for the oil pan bolt, drain plug. Thank you for watching Initial Speed, and I'm out. No drips. Beautiful.